Chiangmai European type dough sheeter product introduction. The European style dough sheeter is a vertical pastry maker with a European style appearance. It has a dual function of crushing and stretching, also known as a pastry opener. Mainly used for all kinds of crispy bread and crispy egg tarts. The production of various types of pastries such as milfilio, pastries, cookie, etc. The baked products have excellent color, aroma, and taste. Expandable for use, foldable for placement, does not take up space for use. Product parameter. Optional specifications. Unfold dimensions during use. Selectable voltage and drum width. Using tutorials. Before use, first lower the conveyor belts on both sides of the device. The lower support rod supports the lower stopper buckle. Lower the stainless steel baffles on both sides. Then connect the power. Turn on the main switch and emergency switch. Put in the dough and control the rolling thickness by handle. The smaller the value corresponding to handle above, the thinner the rolled dough will be. Using the horizontal operating lever to move it up and down to ensure the normal operation of the conveyor belt. Step by step, the dough goes from thick to thin. During the back and forth rolling process, flour should be added appropriately to prevent sticking to the machine. Fold the dough repeatedly and roll it back and forth until the desired thickness is achieved. Introduction completed. Thank you for watching.